Get ready to take your exam with confidence using the Kurzweil Read the Web extension within Lockdown Browser. We've designed a quick demo to show you how to use this text-to-speech tool on a Windows device. To open Lockdown Browser, click the magnifying glass icon in the bottom left of your screen. Type Lockdown Browser and select it from the search results. Sign in if prompted. Select the Info button on the toolbar. The Info button is located at the top of the browser near the URL. In the Lockdown Browser info box, select Open Extensions Manager. In the Extensions Manager, select On for the Kurzweil Read the Web extension and click Apply. In the pop-up window, enter the username and password provided by Services for Students with Disabilities and select Login. You'll repeat these steps at the start of each new session. The extension will display on the screen. Navigate to Courses in the menu on the left side of the screen. Select the course for the exam, then select the exam to begin taking it. To start Read the Web, select where you want the program to start reading, then select the play button, and Read the Web will speak the text.
What year was Sam Houston State University founded? Option 1. 1990.
To stop the program from reading, select the pause button. Please be mindful that since we use Blackboard Ultra, you will not be able to see the text highlighted on the page, but you will still be able to hear the text being read to you. When you complete the exam, select Save and Submit. If you have questions, Services for Students with Disabilities are here to help you at 936-294-3512 or disability@shsu.edu.